Bon bon akne ang bon that work as success the gam got for the Khmer Unity the cop at that by John in the row by John. But Unity what year time Unity MMORPG but okay World of Warcraft Classic Season 3 okay nè của đặt thì ra Khmer yung bon bon akne by John by John okay Chẳngในขนมเอพิโซดในของเรียนนี้คือยังโปรแกรมการ PacketWriterPool ว่า PacketWriterPool ตัวการว่าดีโอเคจังในการของใครในคือจะกระดานมี private static read only concurrent queue PacketWriter ว่าอย่างการ writer pool ai có ai tất cả này mà mình tích được trong game setting script người ta chọn tới ở lên khơi và được trong game setting này ok được vậy đi copy ở đây paste mà chứ tôi bị reader change the writer ok trong can writer just going to be public status void is going to be initialized for in I secure I is less than game setting get maximum PacketWriterPool size I plot which is going to be y PacketWriterPW say go to gonna use PacketWriter but how it go writer pool which is going to queue make sure no PW and then you have be randomly publish status PacketWriter so I'm going to click that mode I get by something okay if writer pool dot try to queue out PW vậy chẳng quen cứ which is the non PacketWriter cái dạng bên này initialize và lại cái dạng như là PW dot initialize how you turn PW out of way bỏ như thế message box the print there is no PacketWriter inside queue but I go under perfect I the return just public status void where just going to return PacketWriter PW if PW is equal to the null which is going to be returned out of way which is writer pool which is not in queue but in queue là PW để dùng miền và chẳng thì là đôi chuyện Afton thử để bạn bị bộ là PacketWriter nhưng clear chẳng thì mình PacketWriterPool là dùng vậy là PO reset mình chẳng đặt lại nick của đội clear PW.reset và PW reset một người phải cả return là được can writer pool